Phaikaham joto takhok tai bukhok songno tini nong ni bagay ketal job okhormani omongkha National Rural Recreation Mission Society short form NRRMS o job ni bagay last date engkha 18 July 2019 tabuk online fill up khaimani norok choli tongo offline omo khaimia online norok khaina nangnai o jaga kabangma vacancy bo tongo tai post bo tongo post order total 10th mane 10 ta post tongo puilangkha district project officer boni boyos nang nangnai 23 hoite 43 jara tai total post angkha 8 tai bini salary angkha 26560 tai bini qualification nangnai post graduation degree with 1 year graduate degree with 3+ year post qualification experience nanai in Susailo takisangka account officer bini age nangnai 22 theke 43 boni vacancy bo tongo total post angkha 8 salary nangnai same not same 22,650 rupees boni bo qualification nangnai post graduate haikeba graduate degree experience nangnai finance accounts ni tai third number ka technical assistant boni age na nangnai 21 theke 40 total vacancy tongo 16 boni salary ka 19,650 qualification nangnai graduate tai 6 month neo DCA ko so khajik tongkhangke belai chanai tai experience dog like data entry MS office MS MIS rongni experience tongkhangke belai chanai next angka block data manager boni bagi bo age nangnai 21 theke 38 total vacancy tongo 58 boni salary angkha 17,730 rupees qualification nangnai graduate degree tai boni loge computer ni expert nanglai jemon data entry MS office next angka nini communication officer boni bagi tongo total vacancy ka 51 age nangnai 31 theke 38 salary ka 7,650 rupees boni bo same graduate degree nangnai tai experience in social community development sector roko tongangke belai sao tang next angka nini block field coordinator boni bagi age nangnai 18 plus to between 38 boni total vacancy tongo 136 salary ka 16,630 qualification nangnai graduate tai experience in knowledge in computer application tongka belai sao next angka nini multitasking official boni age nangnai 18 to 40 total vacancy ka 106 salary ka 16,500 qualification graduate tai knowledge in computer application tai norok o job ni bagai norok apply khaina angke Google o thangi type khaji www.nrrmsvacancy.com tamsainai www.nrrmsvacancy.com takisangka computer assistant bini age nangnai 18 to 38 boni post tongo 378 salary ka 16,700 qualification nangnai 12 pass 6 month diploma in computer application tongke chao next angka gao panchayat coordinator bini age nangnai 18 to 40 vacancy tongo 320 salary ka 16,660 tai qualification ngai 12 pass with knowledge in computer application. The last amongka GP level facilitators aging 18 to 38, vacancy tongo 356, salary ka 16,660. Bonibo qualification nangnai 12 pass boni logi knowledge in computer application. Tai jara ojaga hoyto ba wrong tongo jara general OBC ron bagi ngake 250 rupees nangnai. Tai jara BPL ST SC bombay ngake 150 rupees nango. Norok online fill up kaya thang dia jaga post selection kaji joto post ne bagino alka application norok fill up ma khaina online mane ek loge joto fill up khemia kaisa post ne bagi alada form fill up ma khainai te alada nini fees mane 150 rupees norok chalan ma tanai norok chalan tana thangtini nongni debit card, credit card, internet banking, UPI, Beam, phone pay, Google Pay norok use khaimanai or hoite direct norok pay khaimanai. Tai documentation nangmani ngake must nongni last qualification graduate ni graduate ni plus 2 plus 2 nangnai. Tai boni other experience rok tai jara ST ron bank ST certificate upload khai nangnai. The photo the signature tai ST certificate angka 50 KB ni tolang na nane mane 50 KB ni tolang norok adjust ma khainai. Tai jara ni graduation experience angka 150 KB ni tola khai norok scan khai norok upload ma khainai. Amono jora tongsini norok naindi iko oro sijak tongo scan khai norok ni photo below 150 tani ni signature angka 50 KB te marksheet angka 150 KB experience ba 150 KB no tani ni ST ron angka 50 KB ni tolang nangnai. So norok jora tong sini apply khai di hambai.